What if you could publish a fully researched, SEO optimized blog article every single day without writing a single word yourself? In this video, I'm showing you the exact Genspark workflow we built, just that deep research, writing, SEO, all automated. Let's break down the system step by step so you can build this exact setup yourself. Let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Ali from Aff.Ninja, and in this video we are going to show you how we created a Genspark workflow for automating blog contents for affiliates and more. Like if you're managing your blog and you're writing bunch of articles, so Genspark has one of the best features called Genspark Workflows, where you can automate all content workflow and including deep research, writing, optimizing, and SEO. So let me show you how does it work. If you're not sure, Genspark is one of the best AI tools for marketers, enterprises, business, and a lot of stuff where you can automate your entire work, design websites, use Genspark AI developer, use AI chat, generate AI images, music, audio, AI podcasts, and also they have a feature recently they launched is workflows. So workflows is like you just need to write a problem in plain English, like how you want to create a workflow for emails, for newsletters, for content, for research, for anything. It creates a complete workflow which you can run daily, weekly, or multiple times a day. This is similar to N8N. While in N8N you have to be technical, you have to use a lot of nodes, understand everything. And in Genspark, you just need to write it in English and simple plain language, any language you can use, and it creates the complete workflow. So if you know, we have been publishing a lot of content on Aff.Ninja and Aff.Ninja. So Aff.Ninja is one of the biggest affiliate marketing communities. We have over 65,000 email subscribers from affiliates. We have been media partner to almost all the affiliate conferences. And we talk about SEO, affiliate marketing, creators, proxies, ad networks, affiliate networks, everything. So if you want to create content like this, like how we have created, it's pretty much simple. This is not a generic content created by ChatGPT or without the proper research. This is full proven content created with SEO optimizations for Google AI overview, and keeping our clusters and SEO in mind. So we have been using Genspark since like almost 2 months right now for creating daily articles. And the best thing is it is completely automated, end-to-end automated. You don't need to do anything. You just need to set up one time. It like takes around 1 hour for setup, and you get a bunch of content researched, written in your own brand tone. Either you are any kind of niche, you run a travel blog, you run a gaming blog, or e-commerce blog, or a blog for SEO, blog for like any kind of stuff. You can do all the things using Genspark workflows. So this is how Genspark workflows looks. Now let me show you the workflow that we have created for Aff.Ninja. So this is a very simple stuff. You just need to upload all your files from your website. The best thing you can do is just open sitemap and open all your post sitemaps, pages sitemaps, and download each of the sitemaps using any AI tools, any of the content tools that you use, or just scrape using Firecrawl or AP5, because we need all the contents or all sitemaps. So we have just downloaded all the sitemaps and have given everything to Genspark and created a simple prompt. If you see, it is very simple. We want to create a new workflow that write articles for my blogs daily with top quality articles with proper web research, competitor websites. We have updated everything, and we have also updated our brand guidelines. That is more important, like what is the niches and everything. This is just one single prompt, and you see the workflow has been created So as you can see, this is a very simple run here, and the workflow has been created just in one single prompt using Genspark. And if you see, the first thing we put is to start every day at 6 o'clock. The first trigger is we have loaded all our Aff.Ninja brand context, voice, tone, and our full affiliate links that we have, because we want to also create commercial articles like reviews, comparison, proxies, and more. So here we have uploaded all our brand guidelines. You can just do this using Claude by writing to Claude that like take the format of the website, tone, and everything. So you get all the brand guidelines in just one place. Second is we have a deduplication check, because we do not want that the AI should create contents that already exist. So we have added all our sitemaps. So every time it checks our sitemap and makes sure that the new content is not already present in your website or blogs anywhere. Then we have given like 25 URLs, RSS feed URLs of competitors and trending topics that we have in the SEO industry, affiliate marketing in the industry, media buying industry. So you need to give your competitors websites, links, everything, just to analyze all these things here. Then we have a topic scoring system. So like if AI finds 10 topics every day, it will just do a reasoning and only like find 5 topics that you could use, or that would be the best fit for your website. So this is an AI algorithm here that checks the content topics, velocity, everything, like what should we put, what should we not put, and from multiple topics it takes out the 5 topics. Then for each of the article, whatever the 5 topics are, we have kept a deep research system. So it does a deep research on the internet, checks hundreds of websites, Reddit, forums, YouTube, Quora, and Google search results, everything, to find the best content, context, everything, facts, stats, to do a deep research and get a proper context to write the content. And then for writing, we have multiple triggers, because the content is very big. It needs a quality analysis, checking, and everything. So we have multiple triggers for writing the articles, like commercial review, if the content is like listicle, comparison article, some kind of different articles. So we have multiple steps. So whatever the content would be there, it would be written in that similar style, similar format, similar tone. So then it updates the topic logs, like whatever article it has written, you will get the complete log, and then it will compile and make a final markdown format for everything, and will push it to a Google Drive system. So this is a very simple flow that you can create. So yeah, you can add more steps as well here, like sending a message to your Slack once the work is done, Microsoft Teams, and a lot of things, image research, YouTube research. Plus, you can just tell the AI to get new steps. Like you can also make the content draft in WordPress using the WordPress API, which is completely free, WordPress REST API. So it works very fast, and you have infinite options here. Like the more you write, the more you can do, and none of the contents are very good at the first time. You need to tweak the results. You need to understand the content that has been created, the article that has been created. You need to quality check. You need to do a lot of R&D. You need to see the quality of content. If you see, all these articles are created by Genspark workflow. So we have trained it using our brand voice, using the strategy like quick answer, everything, what type of heading should be there, what type of formatting should be there, the length of the content, the LSI keywords, the keyword density, the images, everything. So the contents created by this are very worthy. We have already tested it using Surfer SEO, Trace, and Neuron Writer for keywords and everything, and it already passed a lot of SEO tools results for the brand voice, for the LSI keywords, and importantly, semantic keywords. This is a very easy step. With Genspark workflow, you can also create more workflows for your different stuff. The pricing is pretty simple. They do not give unlimited or anything. They charge on period basis. The plan starts like around $20 a month, and even they have higher plans for more stuff. The workflows consumes the credit, and if you are technical sounded, I would still recommend to go with N10 using a lot of open router API and most things. You can create a similar type of workflow with N10 as well. That gives you a more cost-effective solution. But if you want to use a deep research and don't want to do a lot of technical stuff, then Genspark is one of the best systems right now we have been experiencing, and it's pretty much smooth because we get daily 5 topics and we can publish it very fast. And the best part is the research, everything is all automated. So see you in the next video. If you need any help, you can just comment here in the video description. Or if you want to set up a workflow, we can also help you to set up a workflow with Genspark. You can also schedule a call with us if you need more help or help in your business for automations, automatic processing for AI, content agents and more things. Thank you and see you in the next video.